how to turn on or off sound in Blockblast. So here's what we want to do. First, you want to load up your Blockblast application, and here, once the app has loaded, we will just click on Classic so we get in a game. Now, once you have entered a game, we will click on the gear icon in the top right corner here. So just click on it and you should be able to see sound and BGM. BGM means background music, and the sound is just going to be the sound effects. So if you want to turn on the sound and the background effects, or the background music, sorry, you will just toggle these options and make them green. So if they're green, it means that they're turned on. If you increase your volume, you should be able to hear them. And if you want to turn them off, you will simply toggle them off like that. So they're blank. And now that means that you have successfully turned off your background music and sound. Also, you can do one and not the other. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.